In this video, we are going to see how we can always show or hide the bookmarks bar or the favorites bar in Microsoft Edge. So what we do is, the process is very simple. We click on the three dots on the top right hand corner, and from here we click on settings, and here we will just write favorites, and it shows favorites bar. We want to toggle that on so it is shown as favorites like that, and favorite bar always show, so it will be shown right away like this. And you can turn it to never if you don't want to show that. But if you, let's say, want to quickly show or hide that, you can also click on this favorites bar, and from here we click on these three dots and you click on show favorites bar from here as well. So never, it will not be shown, and whenever you want to show it, you click on the three dots again and it will show this option directly. Click on always, and that is how we do it. So basically the favorites bar in Microsoft Edge is for the bookmarks bar. Both are the same thing. So that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.